Wow, you can shout special as loud as you want for that one.
Special!
Whoa, that's too loud, man. Jesus Christ.
I know that one.
Yeah, no, man. I sort of got you nearly fell off going in between them cars. Oh, fuck me, man. Again. Again. Jesus Christ. You absolute bunch of knobheads. People are fucking... That was a bad word. I didn't like that word. I'm going to have to beat that out. People are fucking idiots. Oh, good heavens, Benji. What does it say in the highway code about parking on corners? Don't do it, man.
Susie sheep.
Can you just say special, baby girl? Can you just...
Special!
Thank you.
Why do we have to say special?
Because there's idiots today. We've got idiots about. We've got complete monkeys about today.
Daddy, it's getting night time, isn't it?
Yeah.
Daddy, we haven't got time to go to the fish shop.
Oh, we've got loads of time.
No, we haven't.
You may shout special again if you want.
Special!
Now, this is a really, really important decision you've got to make, yeah? Shall we, when we pull away from this hill, shall we roll back a little bit or not?
We should roll back.
We should, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna trick all the people.
We're gonna trick them, are we?
Yeah.
We're gonna smash into them with our 2-bar, yeah?
We haven't got
Are
time.
you ready? We're gonna do a hill start, yeah? We're gonna hill start. Oh, just a little bit of roll back, just a little bit, not too much. We just wanna upset him a tiny little bit, and if he does it again, then we can roll back some more, can't we?
Yeah, and smash into some people.
Yeah.
But what if our car breaks?
Our car is perfectly fine. It's not gonna break.
Is this not made out of glass?
Well, it is made out of glass, yeah, but it's not gonna smash the windows. We'll probably break some bumpers, but we're not gonna smash the windows.
There's a fire. There's a fire one. Sit back.
What?
Sit back, or they will get you and throw you in jail.
No, they don't take you to jail. That's the ambulance. They fix you. They do. They the nice ones, yeah. The fire engines and the ambulances, right? They nice. They helpful. The police, they the ones that take you away and put you in jail. They see you not wearing your belt. That's it. They'll take you out the car. They'll take you to their little bacon munching machine, and they'll chop you up into tiny little pieces. They will. They will.
They'll put you in jail.
That's what you think. They turn you into sausages. All right, final chance. Yeah, are we gonna roll back or are we gonna pull away normally?
Pull away normally.
All right.
Yeah, to see the moon.
Yeah, we're gonna see the moon.
Yeah. When I was at Ireland last night, I saw stars.
All right, this idiot behind me is actually starting to wind me up a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah.
What are we gonna do about it? What should we do? Should we roll back? Should we roll back and actually give him a slight tap on his bumper to remind him that?
Yeah.
Yeah, just a little bit. Yeah. Right. When we pull away, we're gonna roll back a bit then. Yeah. All right. That's cool. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh! I rolled back accidentally. I didn't mean to. It was an accident. I just rolled back and I nearly crashed into the front of him. Oh, what a shame.
Daddy, you shouldn't roll back.
What? You told me to. You told me to roll back. Don't you say I shouldn't roll back? No, you told me to do it.
Special!
Yes. Yeah. So you gotta love them people who think they can park wherever they want because for whatever reason they think they're more entitled than everyone else. Now these self-entitled people make me laugh because even though she gave herself elevated parking privileges, you know, she created her own space and disregarded the proper one just to go to the cash point. A funny story because we'll come back to that in a second. She created her own parking space for God knows what reason because step for step she would have only had to walk 8 steps from the provided space as opposed to the 13 steps she would have had to take from her own personalised space she created for herself. So initially I called her lazy, but I take that back because I'm actually going to call her stupid. Even after parking right in front of the cash machine, she failed to see the giant white sheet stuck to the front of it, telling you it's broken. And just for the fun of it, I genuinely thought she was going to reverse back onto the main road, but instead she decides to bank herself down off the pavement and then jump back up onto it again. I mean, well done. Your driving speaks for itself, but at least you give us all a bit of a giggle.
I'll do it.
Good enough?
I think so. Lol.
This new year, all these weird noises are just coming out of me now, innit?
Red light.
But you went for it anyway.
Oh, he went through as well.
Yeah.
I was on about the van. Naughty! Uh-oh.
Are we calling that a red light then?
We're not gonna call it a red light 'cause he's already passed it, but it's a bit stupid. He should have just stayed where he was to.
Yeah, you should have.
You're welcome. You're welcome. See, I can be nice. I do have inner conscience, or whatever you want to call it. I do have a soul. I do have human emotions. I can be nice. That was very nice of me. Now I'm going to be a knobhead to someone. Uh-oh, you've made a mess, haven't you? You're knobhead. This is what happens when you cut the corner, isn't it? Asshole, 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 asshole. Told you I'd be nasty to someone, didn't I?
Don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. You've done it, you stupid bacon-eating bellend. Oh, what a fucking idiot.
You need your passport.
There was some discussion
Don't do it,
about, you know,
don't
okay, we're
do
not
it,
gonna.
you stupid
What the fuck?
fucking twat.
What?
Bus just pulled out on Benji at a roundabout.
It's a knobhead.
Pretty blue, brown eyes suffer. I don't know.
No, don't do. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh, you
so
bellend.
Is that same bus?
cool.
Yeah, no.
Benji's not having a lot of luck with buses in Ireland.
It's finally loaded with me. Why? You need to just go to the special place, mate. That's where you belong, man. Special place called Spencer.
Sad corner.
We're just dumb biases.
Jesus Christ, man.
Wait, this just do as well.
Help. I've killed my truck. It's fucked. Look at the state of that.
Are you having got me for wiggling it?
They're still just driving into me. Fuck.
So I glanced at Discord. Ow, you're fucking hot.
Thank you. Wow, I don't know what to say, Alex. Thank you.
Didn't know you were that way inclined.